mama does come back this afternoon for some more of that feed block. There's the mama. You can see the two twins over here behind these trees feeding around. Tearing up that Antler King Granite XL apple flavored feed block. They just really like that block a lot. If you're liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think about these little babies coming in here. It helped the channel out. I appreciate it.